Hello everyone, my name is Ramesh. Welcome back to my channel. In today's session, we are going to discuss about one important entry question, that is converting primitives into objects in Java, which is also known as autoboxing and unboxing in Java. Autoboxing means converting primitive types into objects, and auto unboxing is like converting objects into primitive types. Let's check it so one by one all the features. The wrapper class mechanism is used to convert the primitive types into objects, okay, and objects into primitive types, right? Okay, and since Java 5.0 onwards, autoboxing and unboxing feature converting primitives into objects and objects into primitive types automatically. The automatic conversion of primitives into objects is known as autoboxing, and vice versa, converting from objects into primitives is known as unboxing. Okay, let's check it, one by one. Autoboxing and unboxing features. Okay, the first one is autoboxing in Java, converting primitive types into objects. Let's take an example integer x equal to 10, and this is the primitive value, right? Integer I equal to, okay, this is the wrapper class, and integer dot value of this x we are passing it actually, okay. This is the explicit conversion, okay, and internally it just converts, the compiler just makes use of this principle only, okay. And the second one is integer j, we are declaring wrapper class j and assigning directly this x value. This will also give same result, even though we use this line of code, right? Okay, it internally, the compiler will internally converts this line actually, okay. This will just convert from uh, this x, that is primitive, into wrapper class objects. Let's check the another feature, unboxing principle, converting objects into primitive types actually, okay. So this is integer I equal to, okay, new integer of I. This is the value we are passing. This is the object. It is storing I value, right? We want to convert into primitives. Integer j equal to I dot int value. We need to use it. So in earlier case we were using value of, right? Here if you want to convert into integer, like we need to use int value. Okay. This is the explicit conversion. Unboxing feature. If the another one is integer j equal to, okay, if we are assigning I directly, then internally it will converts the an object into primitive values. Even though we use this line, compiler will just execute this line only. Okay, this is directly assigning value is the best approach. Let's check it uh, different wrapper classes. Okay, this is the primitive class, right? Boolean, and corresponding wrapper class is Boolean. Character, character, right? Byte, byte. Okay, short, short, and int, integer, and long, long, float, float, double, double. Except see here Boolean, only the capital letter is replaced. Okay, except like integer, int here, Boolean, sorry, a primitive type. Here full, no, the representation is notational integer and all. These are the different primitive types corresponding wrapper classes. Let's check it an Eclipse tool. For that I am going to create new class called auto boxing demo. Okay, let's maximize the screen. So initially I'm just assigning integer x equal to, okay, 10. Okay, integer x equal to 10, just printing the value of primitive, okay, x, right? Okay, let's just print it and cancel it. Let's check the double quotes, right? Okay, this missing. Okay, the value of x, primitive x is 10, right? Okay, and now our job is, okay, this one is converting value, right? Wrapper classes integer. Okay, so I am just taking it, okay, integer I am just taking. Now I'm just taking what is, okay, integer dot value of, I'm just taking, see, this is the method exists. Okay, I'm passing x value here. This is the explicit conversion, we can also call it as, okay, explicit conversion. Okay, explicit conversion. Okay, conversion, and let's check the value of this one here. Okay, the value of Okay, object right here. Object is now just plus. Okay, I'm just taking it. Let's check it like what is the output of this one. The same value we will get it. This is the primitive value x, and after conversion by using value of method, now the value is this one. Okay, and the other approach we discussed, right? Automatic conversion, right? Automatic conversion. We need to just give integer. Okay, just j we can give it. Okay, just simply assign this x value here. Okay, we are not just using value of method. This is the automatically it will convert. Okay, let's print it value. Okay, the value of okay object, right? This is the object. Okay, this is implicit conversion. Automatically it will convert, right? So now just plus j we are just printing it. Let's check it, the output of this one. Now see, we'll get the same output. So what we can do is like we will just put some very difference here. See, this is unboxing values. Okay, just to make the difference here. The above ones are like the autoboxing, and these are the unboxing principles. We are going to discuss it now. Okay, now what we need to do is, so our job is like converting objects into primitive values. Okay, integer. Let's take different values, right? Integer x equal to new integer of some 100 you can give it. Okay, this is the object. Okay, this Java, like so after Java 5 and all, right, like this integer conversion directly it is like deprecated. Okay, just assume that like it will support and all. This is the object, right? Let's print this value sys out the value of okay object is okay plus a. Just check the output. Okay, the value of object is 100. Okay, this one. Now our job is converting like object into primitive values. For that what we need to do is like integer b I'm just taking. Now I'm taking like this a dot into value. Okay, into value, this is the method, right? Okay, this is the explicit conversion. Also we need as like explicit. Okay, explicit conversion. Okay, explicit conversion. Let's check the value of like the b sys out, right? The value of primitive value, right? Primitive, okay, is plus b. Okay, now we have converted this like object into like primitive value, right? Let's check it. See, the value of primitive is 100, same value we are getting. Okay, now another reason is implicit conversion. Implicit conversion, it means that integer c I'm just taking it, I'm just assigning the same value. Okay, a value here. Okay, I'm not going to assign anything here. Let's see it, because already this is the a is the object here. Okay, a is the integer object which is wrapper class object. This is just assigning this primitive value, automatically it will get converted, the compiler. Okay, the value of primitive, right? Value of primitive is okay. So let's check like now the c value. Okay, and I'm going to check the output. We will get like the same result. Okay, internally like initially what we have done is we have taken this is autoboxing, right? Okay, so primitive values conversion logic is this one. Okay, and like the objects into primitive values this one. The first three principles, right, will convert from primitives into objects, and next things are like converting objects into primitives. And the best approach is obviously just assigning like this primitive value into object which is upper class, and another one is converting objects into primitive values, right? Okay, this is the upper class object. Okay, assigning to principal, sorry, primitive, automatically it will get converted. This is the simplest and easiest way, even though we use like this line of code, right? Okay, this line and value of it internally converts, okay, and makes use of this statement only. Okay, so this is all about like the primitives, autoboxing and unboxing principles, okay, in Java. So this is better to know and practice actually from your side also, okay, instead of just going through videos, right? Like try to just practice it. You will get like complete idea about this one. Okay, if you want to just refer more videos, right, you can just check my previous videos. Okay, there are plenty of videos are there, you can refer it. Also you can refer my playlist. Okay, you can just refer it here. It is all the videos are core Java interview questions are placed in order. You can just refer and comment if you have any doubts. And this is all about today's video. If you like the content, please like this video, share with your friends, and comment if you have any doubts, and subscribe my channel for more interesting videos. And in next video we'll come up with another interesting topic. Thank you.